friends. Today we will discuss a topic of education and psychology, that is memory. So we will discuss the memory and its types. Memory in education refers to the ability to store, retain, and recall information or experiences when needed. It plays a critical role in learning because students must remember facts, concepts, procedures, and skills to use them in academic and real life situations. Memory enables understanding, problem solving, and critical thinking by providing access to previously learned material. Types of memory in education. Memory is generally classified into following types. First is sensory memory, the brief storage of information received through senses that are sight, sound, touch, etc. Its duration is less than a second. Visual, if it is visual, its duration is less than a second. And when auditory, a few seconds, it remains or retained with the person. We can understand with an example. A student sees a word on the board briefly before looking away, but can still see it for a split second in their mind. Second is short-term memory, STM, working memory. It is temporary storage that holds information we are currently thinking about or processing. Its capacity is that we can retain 5 to 9 items. Duration is 15 to 30 seconds unless rehearsed. When we rehearse, its duration will increase. We can understand with an example. A student listens to a main problem and holds the numbers in mind while calculating the answer. Third is long-term memory, that is known as LTM, a system for permanently storing, managing, and retrieving information for later use. Its capacity is unlimited. Duration, potentially lifelong, it can remain with us. It is further divided into categories. Explicit, that is declarative memory. It is also of two types. First is episodic memory, personal experiences and events we remember for a long time. Example, a student remembers attending a school science fair. Second is semantic memory, facts and general knowledge. Remembering that the capital of France is Paris, it is known as semantic memory. Second is implicit, that is non-declarative memory. First one is procedural memory, how to perform tasks or skills. A student remembers how to